Hello lovelies, how you doing? So today I bring you this amazing style. I would love you to watch this video closely. It is a very detailed tutorial. So my gele measurement is 50-50. I make a 4-line base as you're watching it. So this is a V-shaped style. If you are placing your 4-line on your head, make sure it is crossing your ear. Yes, just as you're watching me cross it to the other side. Alright, so I'm using my plane so that place will not destruct or disturb. So I'm still going to plait another 4 lines because I'm having 4 lines in the other side, so it has to be to match. So that's what I'm doing, trying to arrange it very well. So remember that your plate, your front plate, is the number one thing. Like, it is a focus thing for everybody. Like, if you're tying gele and your base is not fine, I don't know what you're doing. You just have to take your time and arrange it so that it will come out beautifully. So here I'm using my pin to secure these 4 lines. So I'm not going to pleat this place. I'm going to take it all the way up. Just arrange it, and then this place is not meant for pinning. I'm just using the pin to hold it down for me to be ready to use that same side. So here I am going to tie it. All right, I'm going to tie it. However you do your hand is fine. You're going to achieve same style. So I'm tying this place now very strong. So I went back to arrange my pleat because I noticed that one of it flip up. So I'm going to arrange it. Just watch what I'm doing. Yes, I'm going to use spin to secure it so that it will stop running away. All right, so here comes the style. So I'm still using my pin to secure that place so that it will look very neat. All right, so the one behind is the one I'm going to use to form my style. So I don't want it too big. That is why I make that hand small. So I'm using this front one just the way we do our take a bow style or tie knot. So I'm arranging the back, trying to cover it out. Try to cover it up, sorry. So now I'm going to open this ear. I call it ear because it looks like ear, like you know the Zomo. It looks like Zomo ear. I be see what is it called, Seth? Forgive me. So I have arranged that place. You see how it's looking so beautiful. Okay, so I'm still going to do the same side here, the same thing I did with the other one. So I went behind and pin it at the back of this one, so it will give me this beautiful effects. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Please, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the style. Do you think this style is beautiful? What will you rate this style? For me, I rate it 10/10. It is so beautiful. You can wear this style to wedding, you can wear it to church, you can wear it to party. I bet you people will be turning around to look at you because of your 2 ears off. All right, enough of my jokes. So this is what I'm able to achieve with this beautiful gele. It is so beautiful. Tutorial. I hope you love this style. See you in my next video soon. Don't forget to share this video, please, so that I can reach other people also that wants to see this kind of amazing style and also try it out. God bless you for your support. Mwah.